Not long ago, you asked me when I realized I wanted to marry you. And I didn't tell you the truth then, because I wanted to save it for this moment. I knew I wanted to marry you the day that I put on your noise-canceling headphones and laid in your dorm room bed. The moment the music started, I saw your face. As soon as I closed my eyes and as soon as I heard the first note, I saw you. I saw innocence, beauty, kindness, and forgiveness. I saw your struggles, your strength, and your softness. I saw all of you. And I started to cry. Can I hug you?
Yeah.
In that moment, it became abundantly clear that no matter what it took, my life was going to lead me here, to today, to this moment, to standing in front of you, wanting nothing but the absolute best for you, and being completely willing to do whatever it takes to make that happen.
When we first met, I was on my own for the very first time and unsure of who I was meant to be. You taught me how to dream beyond what I could see, to reach for the moon and trust that the stars would follow. You made me feel safe to be fully me. In loving me so gently and so completely, you healed parts of my heart I didn't realize were still hurting. Life has handed us more than we ever expected, and yet, with you, every day has felt lighter, brighter, and filled with more meaning. This is what I love most about you.
To declare your intention to enter into union with each other through the grace of Jesus Christ, who calls you into union with himself.
I hope our future children are listening to this someday, knowing how deeply their mom and dad love each other, knowing that we always chose one another every single day, and that we always stood side by side through whatever came our way. You will be an incredible husband, an even greater father to our future children, and an amazing teacher who leaves lasting marks on every life you touch. And I'm so grateful that I get to walk this life with you.
I'm so ready to get married. Oh, what's next?